Unless this one I want to see in the 40 gels. All right, I'm just going to do it right in the middle. It's going to be interesting. Right in the middle. That's awesome. And you can add more if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. And it's really important. We only need, it's really simple, is crystal clear. You don't have to use a lot of crystal clear. You see that how I removed most of the crystal clears and has just a little left. You can see that how much is just released from that bristles. And you can dab it and create your own vein the way you want it. And wipe it off on the sides if you're seeing that just the pigment off from the brush. The bristles, so then it will not carry it back into your crystal clear. Clean this one really well. Do again every time before you are dipping back your bristle back into the bottles. Make sure you clean it really well. Wipe it off all the residues, the pigment. So you can see that I dab from outside, how you create the vein, just dab it from the outside. And then is work toward to the center. You want to blend, get just a little bit. Actually, I doing like it. Really cool though. Hold on, let me show you. Why is it so bright? Looks really cool though. So I'm gonna blend it and create these more veins. It looks really good in person though. It looks so bright though. Maybe background a little bit lighter. All right, if you're happy with this, it looks better now. Okay, hold on. Looks better now if I put the, then Facebook and YouTube can see it. Hey CC, hello D Queen. Hello D Queen, how are you? Okay, so now I'm happy with this. I'm gonna using is our condensed glue gels. Again, our condensed glue gel is really thick. Okay, so when you get it, it's going to be condensed. It's not going to be, it's like a loosen like your no wipe top coat. And you're gonna do when you press it, give it enough. You don't want to doing it too little, and like, you know, if you're adding it too little, then it's not going to be enough. And then also you don't want to do it too much, because it too much is going to flood your crystal. Spread it, and you can see that my bristle is spread it out. You get it too much, you can remove it. Don't want it enough to adhere to your crystal, but you don't want to be too much to flood your crystal. Look at here. Do pinch your brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and using a no wipe top coat and floating it on the top of Unclear condensed glue gels. again, I'm gonna using my glow in the dark kits. This is my favorite kit, and it had a sister kit too.
Little sister.
Ah, little sister. I know, it's so cute. And it has a little brothers neon. So I'm not using SS don't think it's hey, you good? I just feel my crystal and it's like, hey, come back. That'd be 16. And then the 12. And I picked the radiance, like yellow radiance, and then I'm gonna add my beautiful, like have a like an aqua look, aqua colors, I think. That two together right there, like a lighter one. And then I'm gonna add some beads on. So the best thing about this is all of your beads is different sizes. I'm gonna looking for the beads that I want. Do we have a whole tray of my beads there? Yeah, I've got more beads in here. I'm using a lot of beads lately for this. And I love it. It's just make it looks really complete look. And also you can see there's this best thing about condensed glue gels and no wet top coat. It's not going to set until you're happy with this. So I can place my beads between like each crystals. I can do it between the frame. Between the charm. Oh my god, like reaching out. Can you cut this frame, the big one right here, this one, in half? And looking for like have an arrow. I found this too. This is all really cool because it's come into from the glow in the dark kits. A lot of you were asking for this and it was like sold out. This is a great time to grab it, and then you can also get your bestie, which is Trifecta. It's come with your kit for free. And guess what? Because you're getting your kits free and you're qualified for your a free condensed glue gel. So you get a lot of more products to, you know, stock up. Never get too many crystal trifecta. So I'm gonna add. What's that? I'm gonna add tiny beads right here. I'm gonna tighten them up. I just adjusting them. That's how cool and simple it is. This is the iMuse SS16 in the light green and S16 in the light blue. You can do however you want. You don't have to stick it to one colors. I think it's really cool. AB crystal is really cool and then nice. Also, you can, I want to get the green. Just give it a little shake. When you have that, you put in the on the tray and then you feel like it's just upside down for you. Just don't worry. Just like shake a little bit and you're gonna get that just flip for you right away. So I'm gonna get this frame, beautiful right here, right there, another frame right there. That's all I need. Add one more bead. Never go wrong with this. So easy to do. And then one more frame in this. I like to adding a bits on the sides of the bars of the frame. It just like, it looks, it's a finish. Just a final touch. Looks pretty cool. And then adjusting all the crystal. Happy with this. I am going to definitely gonna clear, remove all of the excess gels, condensed glue gels and top coat on the side to keep it really nice and precise. We are going to cure for 60 seconds.